Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 9th. Yes, the third Sudoku is a 3-star, no, it's a 4-star Sudoku, yes, a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 1495. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, the printed digits, so you can see the difficulty level. The 4-star Sudoku has, I believe, 24. Let me check if this is correct. We have here 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 14, 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 3 is equal to 24. Correct. So let's get started. Let me see. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for a 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. No, not a 2, not a 2. How about a 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row the only place for a 4 should be there. Then a 3 in this column, a 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for a 3 should be there. Need more information. How about well. This one is not easy. 3, 3, 3, 3. Not easy at all. No. Yeah. Let me fill some numbers in the boxes. Mark some boxes. Yes. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 could be there or could be there. Could be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Nine in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here or could be there. 2, 8, 9. How about 1, 2, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. In this column, 4 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 9, and the 7. 1, 2, 9, and the 7. This box cannot be the 2 or the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 here. This box cannot be a 2 or the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9 and the 2 and the 9. We have a pair. Here a pair. And there a pair. That means the other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. And now 3, 3. 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 2. 6, 6, 6, 6. 2, 8, 6, and a 9. 2, 6, 8, and a 9. Yes, we have a 2, 6, 8, and a 9 in this row. So no 2, 6, 8, and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2, 6, 8, and a 9 goes in those 4 boxes. 2, 6, 8, and a 9. That means the other 2 numbers are reserved for the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1. Let me mark them also. It's a pair. So the 2, 6, 8, and the 9 are in these 4 boxes. 3, yes, 3 in 1. Yes, we have a pair. 3 and a 1 in this row. 3 and a 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 and a 1 goes in these 2 boxes. It's a pair, 3 and a 1. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row, the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. Let me mark them, 8 and the 6. I cannot mark those because it's not in a big square. Anyway, yeah, 6, 9, 9, 9. Alright. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7 and an 8. We see here 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes, 7 and 8. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8, no, 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1. I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair, 6 and a 1. Alright. How about 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6, 1, 9, no. 9, 2, 4. 9, 2, 4, and a 1. Alright. Can do anything. 8, 8. These three numbers, 1 is missing, the 8 is missing in this row, and the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 8 and the 1 are left. Let me mark them. It's a pair, 8 and a 1. Yes, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. That means we have the 6 left in this big square, the 3 left, and 6, 3, and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 6 and the 3 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be an 8. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair, it's a pair. 3 missing numbers. The 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We see here the 3 and the 8. So no 3 and the 8 in this box. 1 digit left. Should be the 4. The 3 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. It's a pair. So let me mark them for you. So now, here now, we have 3 missing numbers. Oh, no, we have a 6 here. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers, the 1 is missing. 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. But we have a 6 here, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 6 in this row. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Alright. So we have the 2, 9, and the 6 are left. 6 cannot be here because we have a 6 here. 6 cannot be there. We have a 6 in the middle column. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. The 9 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. 4, 5, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a 9 now, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 5. 5, 5. 1, 1, 1. And 6. Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 8 and 4, 8 and 4. 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 7, 8, 7, 8. 3, 8, 3, 8. Yes. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3, 8, and 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 4. 4 in this column. Last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 1. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this because I've managed to solve this within 30 minutes, so I don't think it's a 4-star Sudoku. Anyway, I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon in a minute with the tectonic and the binary puzzle. Bye bye for now.